Welcome back guys. I hope you are doing well. So in today video we will gonna learn about the automation testing tool. That is a amazing tool I have recently integrated in my two previous project, and it's taking just 2 or 3 minutes to integrate in React Native app, and also saving a lot of time instead of doing manual testing for your each module and that is integrated in your app. So in this video I will show you how can you use React Native Maestro in your app and write some scripted file for your module. So let's go our video. So basically this is our basic React Native app. I have already set up and create some components so we can directly implement React Native Maestro in our app. So first of all I will introduce this code. We have a app.js file in which we have a two component, login and home. If I'm tap on login, so here is a two text input. You can also see on my screen on the right side in the simulator. So user can enter the email and password and tap on login button. So whenever I click on the login button, it will go to the home screen. That is fine. This we can say that this is a manual testing. User can enter the email and the password. Okay, so now we gonna do the all things automate. So first of all we will go to the website of the React Native Maestro. So this is the official website of the React Native Maestro. So what is Maestro? So Maestro is the simplest and most effective mobile UI testing framework. So this is the they also provided some videos. You can go to the website and finding and reading some documents and integrate those steps into your mobile app as your suitable case. Okay, so directly we gonna first install the Maestro CLI. So here is the installation Maestro. So I have already installed on my system. I will skip this step. You just copy this command and paste your terminal. It will download in your machine. So also you can also, if you have already this command, you can also upgrade this CLI command by this provided by this script. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we will go to the React Native part. Basically Maestro support multiple platform, Android, iOS, React Native and Flutter as well. So here is the test cases, and we can say the example like title go. So you have to put the title on the tap on script. Okay, so you can also I will recommend it, don't go with the title. You can also, they also provided the test ID here, so you always using test ID instead of using title. Okay, so uh, when you scroll down, here is the script file. This is the flow.yml file. You have to write this type of script in your code. So I'm using the currently expo. So this is my expo code. So if you are using the React Native CLI, you have to put here app id, your it means your bundle id. Okay, so I just copy this command and created one y flow.yml file. Okay, and paste it. Okay, I just remove this code and run this command. Okay, so this is already my bundle is running. I am creating I opening my second terminal and go down here. Here is the running command. How you can run this command: Maestro test, and whatever your file name, just put here and enter. Okay, uh, I'm closing this app. It will starting take 10 to 15 second. We are waiting. Okay, here you can see flow launching app, and this is tick. It means this command is executed successfully. Okay, so I am here, see the E2E tool. So I just write tap on. Oh, I misspell tap on. And tap on, I can see visible what I see on my screen is E2E tool. So I just write E2E E tool. If you are using the React Native CLI, it will directly open your app. In Expo, we have to open our Expo Go app, and then whatever our app name, we just tap on E2E tool. It means whenever what is seeing in your screen, just write that type of text or whatever ID you have provided in your component. Okay, so I just rerun this command. Okay, you can see launching our app and tap on E2E tool. Okay, that's fine, our app is running. Now you can see also, now we are gonna go to the login screen. Here we will use the test ID, not the title, because title could be same, but test id could be different. Okay, so we are using the test id just like that. I passed. Actually, I'm using the our custom component. Here is the props. We can also send the extra props, because text id text input also contain the test id. If you can see, here is the test id. I'm passing from our login screen. Okay, so test id could be email id. Okay, and this test id could be password id. You can write whatever you want to give a name. Okay, password. And the other hand, button component. Okay, for now that's it. Okay, so tap on, again tap on what is our id, is email id. So here press the enter id, email id. Okay. Oh, so how you can write something on your text input? Here is the input text. You can copy and paste here. Okay. So I will put here my email, like bob@gmail.com. Okay. Just same. I can just copy and paste, because we will repeat this step. Okay. Tap on E2E. Okay. I just remove it. It's my. Okay, correct. Okay, and tap on uh, what I gave here is password ID, just password ID, and entering the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, just rerun this command. Okay, our app is launching. Tap on E2E tool. Okay, good. Okay, you can see there is a automate writing the script file 1236 and 456. Okay, this script is successfully run. So here you can see we gonna tap on return button, so our keyboard will close. Okay, so again tap on. Now we, what we saw here on our screen is written, so tap on written, so my text input is closed. Now we will gonna, okay, so we have another option to give some kind of instructions by showing the Maestro Studio. Okay, so now I'm running Maestro Studio, okay, copy and just run this command. Now you can see also one of fantastic tools provided by the Maestro. If you don't want to bother what I name should be or given id to the R component, you can see also here. Okay, I'm just put right there, you, so you can see. Okay, in the website panel, you website, you can also see our simulator. Like if you tap on the login button, it will show you like what type of id you can assign on your login button. Okay, so here also you can execute this command from studio. Okay, just reload this page, and you can also run this command here. We have integrate type here email id. If I tap on the run, Okay, this will execute. Okay, so now we will assign the id or login button so we can redirect to our home page. So here we passing the test id could be login, and tap on, just here tap on login and login. That's it. Okay, now rerun this command. I'm gonna put my simulator on my side by code. Okay, tap on id login is not work what we expected. So now there is a, how can we debug this? We just run our Maestro Studio. We assign the login id, so we can tap on login. Okay, sometime you write the wrong script file, so you can also test with the Maestro Studio. So here you can see tap on id login, and it's assigning the index 1 property. So just run this command. Yeah, so it's working from here. So we will put index uh, here, index 1. Okay, now we will run again our command. Okay, so we will put here and close this app. Now run our Maestro test file. Our app is launching. Tap on E2E tool and entering the email and password. Tap on return. Okay, yeah, perfect. So now I give you the some basic example of how you can use the Maestro in your React Native app for E2E testing. So that's it. We will meet in our next video. If you like this video, please comment and share this video. Bye bye and take care.